peoples, it's Papa Kettles. I hope you're doing okay. Peoples, you will not believe what my son, Christians, says to me the other night. People, I cooked him the Porky Chicken. We had the mashed potatoes and the macaronis and the cheeses and the Porky Chickens and some corns. And we're sitting there and we're eating. And Papa Kettles loves to cook the Porky Chickens. And Christian, I looked over and he's just kind of sitting there looking at his Porky Chickens. And I said, "What's the matter? What's wrong?" He said, "I don't like this chicken because there's too much juice and it's rolling around on my tongue." And I'm like, are you kidding me? It's cooked perfectly. When you have a good crust on the chicken and it's juicy inside, it's cooked perfectly. What do you want it dried out? Then it's overcooked. Peoples. I don't know what to do with this youngin. I think what I'm going to have to do is teach him to cook his own Porky Chicken.